everybody? Cowboy Carter. As you can see, this car is extremely packed. I am moving. Today is the day I finally move. Whoa. Man, let me not do that with everything in here. Today is the day I finally move. So we'll see where this video takes us. As you can see, we got the cars out. Both of them are completely packed with things. If you guys are new to my channel, the Camaro is also mine. I'm in the process of moving. I'm finally at that age of getting my own place. So I'm very proud of myself. I'm 21. I just turned 21 in June. So we're gonna drive around and see where this video takes us. I'll show y'all the new crib and hopefully y'all enjoy. Let me know how y'all like the Camaro content. And I think these are gonna be some goodbyes to the car, because I think I will be getting rid of it. So this might be the last video on it. I don't know, we'll see. But hopefully y'all enjoy the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it to my own apartment. I can finally say this is so exciting for me. I'm setting off car alarms already. These neighbors are gonna fucking hate me. Listen, guys. I set off a car alarm. First time driving around, I already set off an alarm. This is gonna be fun. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Hey, at least I got a parking garage to park my car in. So I'm about to go show y'all the new crib, and let's go ahead and load everything up, and then I'll show y'all the new place. I am fucking tired. Ooh. Welcome to the crib, ladies and gentlemen. This is it. Finally got our first apartment. Look at her. I'm sweating so bad. It's like 100 degrees out here. Look, we got a big ass kitchen for us because I'm a fat ass. As you can see, we're putting everything up right now. Here's the living room. Excuse me.
I am the view.
Okay, true. Hold on, this is the kitchen. Look how nice the kitchen is, y'all. It's like updated. I sound like a fat ass. I can't even breathe right now. Got a nice little fridge. Cabinets are all nice. Got our own little oven, microwave. This is like a luxury apartment, I guess. Got a little view out there. I'll go ahead and show y'all the bedroom. It's pretty big. This is all her shit, it's not mine. Got a little view out of here. Big bathroom. We wanted a bathtub, but apparently it didn't come with one. Or we wanted both, right?
Yeah. No, bathtub.
So this is how it looks. We got 2 sinks, as you can see, because we're always fighting over the sink. Big closet. As you can see, I already put all my shoes in here. I have so many shoes, I don't even wear them. That's about it, guys. So I'm just cooling off right now. It's so hot out there, and I'll go get the rest of the shit. Here, wait, let me show y'all the view. A little bit, somewhat of a view. Got our own little balcony.
Better than nothing.
Look, we got a little view over there. All right, everybody, that is it for the apartment tour. I will keep y'all updated when we put everything up. All right, y'all, I think neighbors are gonna absolutely hate me. I think the alarms are about to start going off. How weird it looks. The back seat's somewhat in. Look, I just need to put those up, or actually put them in. Ooh, look in the mirror. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Are we coming up on the tunnel? Uh-oh. Race car life, I'm sorry. That Scat Pack knew he was scared. No Scat Packs wanted with my SRT. They've seen the video. Check the view, y'all. Just a little baby pool. Oh, I don't like these.
Oh, you're gonna see some cars out before, sure.
Oh, this reminds me of my old job. I'm scared. Ah! a valet job in downtown for like one day one time. I hated it. See how like close it is? Wait, I'm not paying for this shit.
You don't have to pay for it.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna pick my groceries up and set some car alarms off. All right, y'all, got some groceries. Had to pop the hood. The car is very hot. I'm about to go close it. There we go. All right, y'all, let me see if I can set some alarms off. Let me try to set these off. Fuck out of here before they call the cops. Alright, y'all, if y'all want to see a separate video of me trying to set off cars in a parking lot, y'all let me know. If y'all want to see a separate video of that, y'all let me know. I've always kind of wanted to do that. I'm surprised. Alright everybody, so it's the next day. You see I got my cowboy hat on, cowboy Carter. We're gonna put the tires in the back seats. That's not gonna work actually. We're gonna have to go around this way. Cowboys took a dub. I don't have a shirt on because I kind of spilled some beer on my cowboy shirt, but Zeke sucks anyway. So today's video I'm gonna be letting my girlfriend, she's the cameraman, drive my SRT. Hopefully she doesn't kill us. We're gonna put these seats in and then we'll hop straight into that. So hopefully y'all enjoy. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's her first time driving. Turn on the lights for them. Cold start for y'all, and then she's gonna be the one driving, so. Alright, go ahead. First time driving, you nervous? Oh, guys, I'm shitting myself right now. I'm a little bit buzzed though, so we're chilling. Here, turn on the lights for them. It's like the Camaro, the little switch, rolled all the way up.
Oh, I see.
There you go. All right, y'all, I switched to her camera. She let me use it, so let me know how y'all enjoy the quality. So she's parked it before y'all, but she's never driven it. I've been kind of nervous, so this is gonna be her first time. Let's see how this goes. Buzz, Cowboy Carter? Just a little bit of a baby buzz. What do you think? First impressions driving it normally?
You're to fuck it up, like to crash or something.
No, you're good. We got fat ass tires on here. We'll be straight.
Yeah, I can feel your brakes are different.
He's a little bit more heavy than the SS. If you're new to my channel, y'all, we have a 2013 Camaro SS. This is our first time driving the SRT, so speed up a little bit, give it a little bit of gas. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Let me make sure my seatbelt is strapped up. Oh my. That wasn't all the way on the gas, huh? How many miles per gallon am I averaging right now? 13.1 in a race car, not bad. I am gonna sell this car, I think, so that's why I'm letting her drive the car. I've been trying to make this video for a while now, but I don't know, I just haven't come around to it, so it's finally happening. I want you to tell the people, what do you think about the SRT? What do you notice?
Well, it's a big ass bolt, you know that. So it's heavy.
It's heavy.
It's
yeah.
heavy, and then the brakes, it's different from the SS.
Brakes more like heavy, like I said.
I feel like I had to like kind of press on the brakes a little more stuff.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you.
It's way different from a small Camaro.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Slow down to 60. I'm gonna let you floor it. You ready? All right, it's at 60. All right, floor it.
Hold on.
Go. Look at her, little speed racer. You want me to drop it into manual mode for you?
I feel like I'm fucking up.
I'll do all the shifting for you. You just floor it, all right? All right, y'all. I'm gonna do the shifting for her.
Yeah, I'm at 60.
All right, we're at 4th. Start slowing down. Don't worry about the cars behind you. 3rd. All right, once I put it in the 2nd, you're gonna floor it. She likes the race car, y'all. like it?
You gotta do stuff to the Camaro.
Alright, she wants to mod the Camaro now. Slow down all the way to like 40.
Wait, let me merge onto the highway.
Alright, y'all, she's gonna do a 40 roll. This is when the car will do the little bunny hop.
Is the car back?
Rev it up a little bit.
Wait, hold up.
Rev it up a little bit. I'll tell you when to floor it. Go. Oh yeah! You like that?
Yeah.
It's fast as fuck, right? Oh, she's getting confident with my dark ass windshield. What do you think about it being at a light?
Not bad.
Is the cam annoying?
No, I'm used to it now.
Once you get under this tunnel, floor it at like 20 for a second. Give me a little bit of juice. You having fun over there? See how loud it is?
Yeah,
This
it
shit
is.
is so annoying. I want you to let this car go and just floor it a little bit from 0. It's gonna
Okay.
give it a little bit of gas. A little bit more.
Right now?
Yeah. Oh my. It's fast, huh?
Yeah, and it's fucking loud.
Yeah, it is very loud. How you like the ride?
I like it.
It was fun?
Yep. Fun.
Give me some gas. Whoa! Oh my. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Cowboy car, yeah! Alright, dude, get the fuck out of our way, bro. You like the cam pushing you around?
Yeah.
You
I
don't-
didn't even gas it.
Yeah, you don't even have to gas. Alright, let's see if you can park here. Let me get out and report you parking it. Guys, she can't park. I think I'm gonna have to help her out. There she goes. There it goes. The beast is off. Alright, the neighbors are done being mad at us.
It's a fucking big. Tell them that's what I'm used to driving.
Okay, yeah, she's used to driving the little Camaro. She's not used to whipping the boat. Alright, you like the car?
Yeah, I don't like reverse parking. Well, okay, it's because it's my first time reverse parking it. So it was pressure. And then we got this Camaro right here, ours, that I didn't want to hit.
You just don't know how to park. Alright, but you do like the car. Hey, calm down.
I do know how to park.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all on my next one. I think this will be the last video with the car, maybe.
Maybe.
So hopefully y'all enjoy, and I'll see y'all on my next one. It's been Cowboy Carter. I'm out.